Welcome to my cooking channel. Let's cook together with Momo. Today let's homemade shrimp paste tofu. It's easy. Let's start now. Shrimps, mushroom, carrot and coriander. Cubes carrot. Cubes mushrooms. Chopped coriander. Pour all ingredients into blending cups. Shrimp paste pour into bowl. Egg tofu pour into bowl and mix evenly. One teaspoon of salt, sugar and white pepper powder. Mix well. Rub cooking oil into steam bowl, then pour in shrimp paste. Cover with food wrap and poke holes on it. Middle flame steam for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, test with chopsticks if non-stick means it's cooked. Let it cool down. Loosen it with spatula and turn it on cutting board. Then cut into small cubes. Coat with flour and fried it. Shrimp paste tofu is done. This shrimp paste tofu can fill mushroom and fuzik. This is so easy. Give it a try. Let's make air-fried shrimp paste tofu spring rolls. These shrimp spring rolls are crispy on the outside and delicious on the inside. Prepare papaya skin. Spread shrimp paste on papaya skin. Fold both sides inwards. Carefully roll it. Repeat the same step. Brush both sides of papaya with cooking oil. Arrange spring rolls in preheated air fryer. Air fry at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Spring rolls is done, crispy and smell good. Spread shrimp paste evenly on papaya skin so it's easier to roll up. You follow my new recipes updates on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.